Hello everyone and welcome to Clue Speak, a cosy place to learn British English bit by bit. I'm Anna.
And I'm James. All right, Anna?
Yeah, not bad. A bit tired though. Work was, a very long day.
Tell me about it. Same here. My lunch was rubbish too. Just a sad sandwich.
Oh no, tragic.
It is tragic. That's why I'm thinking of dinner already. Proper dinner.
Like what?
A juicy burger, chips. No, fries, sorry. We say chips here. And maybe a fizzy drink.
Sounds fit, to be fair.
Fit?
Yeah, fit means good. Not romantic fit, just tasty fit. Food fit.
Got it. Food fit. My new life goal.
Honestly, restaurants are a great place to use English. Even beginners can sound quite natural there.
So if I walk into a restaurant, what do I say first?
You can keep it easy. Just smile and say, "Hello, a table for one, please." Super common in the UK.
Hello, a table for one, please.
Perfect rhythm. Short and polite.
And if we go together?
Then it's, "A table for two, please." Easy swap. See? It already works.
Wow, restaurant English feels nicer than sandwich English.
It does. And waiters are usually friendly. Most of the time. Unless it's Saturday night. Then it's survival English.
Ah, yes. British adventure mode.
You know it.
Anyway, I'm sold. I'm practicing English at the restaurant next time.
Brilliant. Let's do it. But maybe after actual chips first?
Absolutely. Chips first. English after. So, we're at the table now. I feel proper fancy with my table for two line.
Give it 5 minutes and we'll drop a fork. Fancy status gone.
What happens next?
The waiter might come over and say, "Hi again." They often ask about drinks first here.
Oh, so I don't start shouting my food order straight away.
No shouting at staff, please. Very un-British.
Noted. Indoor voice only.
You can say something like, "Can I have tap water, please?" That's normal here. Tap water is free.
Free water feels like winning the lottery without money.
A very tiny wet lottery, yes.
And for soft drinks?
Just say, "I'll have lemonade, please," or "I would like a cola." Both are fine. "I'll have" sounds a bit more chatty.
I'll have lemonade, please, madam.
Calm down, Downton Abbey. You said no shouting, not no acting.
Fair enough. Acting is my hobby.
Then comes the moment of truth. The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
I can say, yes, I am, right?
Yep. Or, "Not yet, sorry," if you're still choosing. Sorry is always safe in the UK. We use it for everything.
Sorry for breathing. Sorry for ordering. Sorry for existing.
Exactly. It's the British buffer word.
But I am ready. I'm ordering.
Go on then. You can say, "I'll have fish and chips, please."
Does it come with peas?
Sometimes. If you're not sure, ask, "Does it come with peas or beans?" Many pubs serve peas. Some places serve baked beans.
Baked beans near fish.
Don't panic. It's normal-ish.
Okay, survival phrase time. Anna, waiter mode, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'll have fish and chips, please.
Lovely. Peas or beans?
Beans, please. Living on the edge.
That's the spirit. The waiter might repeat your order too. They do that often. You just nod and say, "Yes, that's right." Easy and done.
Easy and done feels like my type of English.
Mine too. Simple works. And it sounds natural when you use please at the end. Not robotic, just polite.
Please as punctuation. I like it.
It likes you back. Right, menus can look a bit scary at first, but most words are quite friendly. You'll see sections like starters, mains, and desserts.
I always open the menu and think, wow, so many words, so little brain space.
It happens, but you don't need to know everything. If you want something popular, pubs often have fish and chips, or pies. Not sweet pies, dinner pies.
Dinner pie sounds like the opposite of dessert pie.
Exactly. A pie for dinner is usually savoury, like chicken pie or vegetable pie. At a restaurant, you can also ask easy questions about the menu. For example, is the soup hot? Or do you have vegetarian food?
I can ask that without shaking.
No shaking needed. Very normal questions. Level A2 approved.
Lovely, because shaking is my other hobby, mostly in stressful situations.
Well, you can practice English without stress by ordering what you like and keeping it simple. When you choose, you can say, "I'll have the chicken pie, please," or "I would like soup, please."
I'll have feels short, natural, and less stressful. I like it.
It's common in real conversations. It sounds normal, not too formal.
And after I say the food, I just add please like a tiny cherry on top.
More like a polite chip on top. But yes,
I'll have tomato soup to start, please. And for main, a veggie pie, please.
that works perfectly. The waiter might respond with, "Sure, lovely," or "Coming right up." All very normal.
British menu mission complete then.
Complete and natural. And now you know you can go to a restaurant and order like a real human. A polite human who wants chips.
Chips and humanity. Two important things.
Couldn't agree more.
Okay, food ordered, confidence high. Now drinks and tiny plates, yeah?
Exactly. And this is where the UK becomes very predictable again. If you want water, it's often tap water, not bottled. Just say, "Tap water, please."
Free water again. We're rolling in hydration wealth.
Liquid riches. If you want a soft drink, you can say, "I'll have lemonade, please," or "Cola for me, please." Both are common and easy.
What about tea?
Always socially acceptable. You can even order it with dinner. Some people do. It's a lifestyle, not a drink.
I'll have tea and chips for dessert next time.
Careful. You said no complications, not no chaos.
Fair point. So sides, like chips or salad.
Yep. You can ask, "Does it come with chips or salad?" Or, "Can I swap peas for beans?" Very natural and simple.
Swap feels risky.
Not really. As long as you add please, it sounds polite, not demanding. Brits don't like demanding energy. We like gentle energy with snacks.
Gentle energy with snacks should be our slogan.
That is our slogan. The waiter might also ask, "Anything else?" You can say, "That's all, thanks," or "No, thank you."
And if they ask, would you like dessert later? I just say, yes, please.
Exactly. No long speeches. Short answers sound real, especially with good intonation.
Soda, please. Chips on the side, please. Desserts later, please. Survive Saturday night, please.
That works, actually. Right, so dinner is nearly done. This is the part where we pretend we're organised adults with money.
Nearly organised. That's optimistic.
You call the waiter over, make eye contact, no waving like a lost tourist, and say, "Excuse me, the bill, please?"
Excuse me, the bill, please. Smooth.
Perfect. In the UK, some places bring the card machine to the table. It's quite common. If you're not sure, ask, "Can I pay by card?"
And if I can't pay by card?
Most restaurants take cards. You're usually safe. If you're paying in cash, though, you can just hand it over and say, "Here you are."
Here you are, my entire life savings.
For fish and chips. Bold.
Very bold. Do we tip here?
Some people do, some don't. If service isn't included and you want to, 10% is normal. Not too much. But it's not mandatory. No stress.
Finally, a rule with no panic.
Exactly. And when the payment is done, you can say, "Cheers," as a friendly thanks. Very normal here.
Cheers sounds better than goodbye, honestly.
You can also say, "Have a nice evening," when you leave. Waiters say that a lot.
And I answer, you too?
Even better. You too. Cheers. Short, polite, local energy.
Local energy with chips, hydration wealth, and organised adult cosplay.
Classic British night out, to be fair.
All right, I think I'm ready to do that in real life now.
You already sound natural, and that's the point. Short phrases, good manners, and maybe dessert.
Maybe definitely dessert.
Definitely dessert, then.
Well, that was a proper dinner chat, wasn't it?
It was. And we didn't drop a fork today. Growth.
Don't jinx it. The night is still young.
True.
All right then, before we go, listeners, we want to hear from you.
Yes, no essays needed. Keep it short and real. We'd love to know, what's your favourite food to order at a restaurant?
Burger? Chips? Curry? A sneaky dessert before the bill?
Tell us what you like, what you always choose, or even what you want to try next time you're out and about speaking English.
And if you have a funny restaurant story, mild chaos, spilled tea, a soup adventure,
or hydration wealth discovery.
Exactly. Tell us. Just pop it in the comments.
And while you're there, if you enjoy Clue Speak, send the episode to one mate. Just one. We don't ask for a crowd.
Very British of us. Low pressure, high kindness.
High pudding potential too.
Right, that's us then.
Thanks for listening, truly. You're amazing for trying and practicing.
Enjoy your next restaurant adventure. In English, of course.
Have a lovely evening, everyone.
You too. Cheers, and bye for now.
Bye for now. See you next episode.